Hello and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my videos. Today I will be designing a set of wheels, a special set of wheels because it is for a hot rod. I want to have a classic style hot rod wheel, which means modern day white wall tires. I had a look around and found a company that makes small size modern day white wall tires in Germany. And today I'm going to be sketching those tires into the package, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. As I mentioned in the previous video, I am focusing now a little bit more on showing the potential of the package. So you saw me working on a sports car in the other one, and now I'm working on a hot rod panel van, which is one of my personal favorites. and I'm also going to be showing the modeling of that vehicle. But first I start off with the design of the wheels. So for this vehicle I want to have red rims with yeah, the steel original type of wheel. Normally they have like a chrome insert where you can add the single wheel nut part onto it basically. And then of course you have the white wall tires, big wheels for a small vehicle, and that's what we have as well with this package, so it's perfect. The wheel diameter is a little bit bigger than what we have on the other car, but it is still inexchangeable. Yes, it is still inexchangeable. As you can see from the video, I made a combination of a red wheel. I have a dummy single wheel nut thing that can be bolted onto the center, so it gives that old classic vibe. And of course the white wall tire, as I mentioned, with an old style profile as well. I like it quite a lot, to be honest, and they also have it without the white wall. So it is a good candidate for as an option for our wheels. However, these tires are a lot more expensive than the tires we are aiming to run, and these tires are, as mentioned, a little bit bigger, but still within the range. So yeah, that was the video regarding designing the classic wheels for the hot rod. I hope you like it. In one of the next videos I will continue with the hot rod design.